Welcome back to another episode of JRC Adventures, and we got a little bit of a different episode. You'll notice I'm not in the Hilux, I'm actually in Moses's Suzuki Jimny that's called Big Red, because we got a little bit of a call up. There's a little Suzuki meetup, so I think we got maybe 5 Jimnys, and we're actually at Mount Mee. I haven't been to Mount Mee before, but it should be pretty good. I've heard there's a lot of tracks. We're on a little bit of a time limit, so fingers crossed we can have a bit of fun. Who knows what will happen in this vlog, but I'm excited. Let's go check out the cars and then let's get going. Well, we're on the way, but the Jimny just seems to be overheating, so we just pulled over on the side of the road, let it cool down a bit. Luckily it's a cool day. Pop the bonnet, see how it goes. Look at all that power.
It's still coolant in it, which is good. Hasn't boiled over yet.
Well, we should be good to go. How are we doing temperature wise?
Look, she's pretty hot going up the hill. So we're just trying to take it nice and easy up the hill and let it cool down on the trips down the hill. It's about to start airing down. We're at the start of the tracks, so I want to air down. Just give the Jimny the best chance it can have today. This car's not a stranger to getting stuck, let's just put it that way.
But if it does get stuck, we've got 2 other Jimnys to get us out. Old mate put on a winch last night, so maybe that might get a bit of a workout today. We'll see how we go.
Yeah, I wonder if he's tested it.
Yeah. Don't have a tyre inflator, so the trusty stick will do. We've let the tyres down to, what do you go?
I went to 15 on the front and a little less on the back.
Yeah, I may have let the back down, and the size comparison to a Hilux was a little bit different, so I may have bagged them out, but just maximum traction.
Yeah, we're not getting stuck today.
No way. We should mention as well that we are at Mount Mee. I'll chuck a little location of where exactly we're at and where we met. I've never been here. Apparently there's a bunch of tracks, so I'm excited to see. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to see what there is. Now, apparently there's a lot of mud. Just like that, come up to the first bog hole.
I'm gonna be hitting the right one.
The right, yeah, she's pretty deep.
See how it goes. Got little red going the chicken track.
Do you have a name for yours? Old Ronnie.
Yeah, it's after my granddad, so.
Oh, brilliant. First bog hole, too easy for all the boys. Mo decided not to go through the mud on the first one. Now we've got a bit of a downhill with a few ruts. So let's see how the Jimnys go. Oh, just stick to the right, boys. Just stick in there, eh?
This has definitely dried out a bit. Being that last time I was here, you couldn't see the middle.
Bit of a choose your own adventure, this one. 3 Jimneys, 3 different ways. So one's gonna go through here. One's gonna go right through the centre where all the bog is. And then I think Mo's gonna go the third option as well. So far, Mount Mee, I'm actually a big fan. I love it.
Go. Woohoo! Phantom is your friend.
So we've got Greg going through the middle. We'll see how he goes. Straighten your wheels a bit. Yeah, out they come. They're going to be a bit nice and muddy after this, eh?
Alright, ready on them. Front.
Mo's just going to reverse it up a tiny bit more. It only needs a tiny tug to get over the diff. Keep coming, keep coming. Okay. Right on, we're ready.
Nice and easy. It's just one Jimny pulling out another Jimny. Not too bad.
Nothing like a little bit of Jimny love.
The recovery didn't go too badly. We were able to get him out. It didn't really need too much of a pull, which is good. And now we're going to try just maybe all follow the same tracks this time.
It always surprises me how long a recovery takes. I mean, that was probably 30?
Yeah.
30, 40?
Yeah, I reckon at least 30 minutes.
Time is ticking. We can't be here all day. On camera, it doesn't really look like much. Up to
What, knee height?
knee height, yeah.
And for a Jimny, that's a half.
And you're 7 foot tall. Oh, the old clutch, eh? The old clutch!
I cooked it!
We just finished that one track, which was good actually. It took quite a while, a little bit slower than probably what we thought.
Yeah, a little bit.
A couple of recoveries, a couple of just big deep ruts, but overall it was good. So now we're kind of back onto the dirt road and we're gonna go hit another track. But so far, Mount Mee, I feel like it's a bit of an explorer's paradise. But I feel like if we had a heap of maps or something, just to know where these four-wheel drive tracks are, that would really help. But yeah, so far, love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like your four-wheel drive. It's like in your gears.
It's not going in.
Because do that again. Yeah, see, it's got so much movement.
Should not be done.
I don't know why it's doing that.
Something's come undone.
Look at this. This just has so much movement. It's like something so loose in there. I'll shake it, Mo.
Yeah.
Ready? There.
Oh, yo.
What's wrong?
The drivetrain is broken.
No way.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, hold up. I'm having a look.
Have a look at this.
Oh no. Yeah, wow. That is fully out of its seal. That is gone.
There's no way we're getting home then, eh?
Yeah. I think it feels like something else has come undone. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is actually crazy. We've gone underneath. Basically, I know I probably said it before, Mo was trying to engage four-wheel drive and he just couldn't get in. The gear stick was going crazy. We go underneath and have a look. And it's hanging down. We thought originally maybe it's popped out the actual shaft. Have a look at this. This is next level wild. So this here is the mounting bracket that actually holds his transfer case on. One on this side, one on the other side. This is snapped clean off. So if I move this, you'll see that bracket there. That is absolutely wild. Now our issue is, this is obviously broken. There's another bracket on the other side which is still fine, but we don't want this to be dangling down whilst we're driving. You know, we've got 100 k's to get home, so we'll probably get out the ratchet strap and we'll work out a bit of a solution.
I think that sounds like a good idea. Yeah, you know what they say, it's the price to play.
That is wild. Luckily we're not in the middle of a track and we're kind of just in between. We've said goodbye to the other boys and we're gonna try to ratchet strap this up, so I'll probably chuck you on the GoPro, chuck you on a time lapse. I'll see you when it's all done.
Hours later.
We've finished. You put the ratchet strap on and
Look, it'll get us home.
it's pretty professional. It ain't going anywhere.
No.
And that's all we need. We got about 100k,
That's 70 k's.
70k, going 100k's. This thing needed those new parts though.
Yeah, I mean, it's an old car. It's just good to do maintenance on your car every so often. My recommendation is do it at home. You know, do it at the mechanics. But yeah, I like to keep things a little bit extra depending on the side of the track.
So, the first ratchet strap that we did was a bit of a failure, to be completely honest with you. We actually put it over. I thought that this was front wheel drive, so we put it over the drive shaft, and then we just drove a little bit forward, tangled around, ripped it. So absolute rookie mistake. We know that this thing is rear wheel drive, so we've now kind of ratcheted it up again. We've done some look, we don't even have any tools, so it's probably bad on us for not bringing anything. So hopefully this can get us home, but right now I'll just get Mo to drive forward and back and we'll test out just to make sure that it actually works all right. So fingers crossed. Just go real slow. Yeah. We'll test to make sure that it works. We've gone about probably 10k so far and it's still driving, so that is a good thing. There's definitely a few sounds, but that's okay. 10k's, 70 more to go. Fingers crossed. So far, hey, we'll just take any extra k that we can, we'll take it. It does make obviously a fair bit of noise, but that's all right. We're just going to take our time, go real slow, and the noise is the noise. Nothing you can do about that, unfortunately. But hey, we're moving, and we'll just keep making sure we don't overheat and that our drive shaft stays in. So we'll get there. You've got to laugh and make the most of these situations. This is our setup inside, just so people know. We've got the ratchet strap coming through this boot down here, and we've tied it on, and we've got that really, really tight. We obviously clearly know that none of this is ideal, but because we've got no tools, we're only going out for a couple of hours. But of course, that's when something like this happens. So we're about halfway to home. Fingers crossed that we can get there. Good news is we have made it home, and I think that's where we're gonna wrap up this video. Obviously this story is probably only just getting started with a whole lot of repairs, but hopefully we can capture them in a future video. What was gonna be a quick little, hey, let's just go to Mount Mee, let's just do a couple of tracks, come home, we got somewhere to be in the afternoon, turned into a couple of hours after that.
Yeah, a bit of an adventure.
That's right. Big Red might live there on the street for a week or two until we get some new parts. If you watched it, appreciate it. Don't forget, like, subscribe, leave a comment. We'll see you in the next one.